Let's bring fall flavors to the table with a cozy fall pasta. Creamy pumpkin sauce with spinach. Here's what you'll need: cooked pasta, pumpkin puree, onion, garlic, milk or cream, Parmesan, spinach, olive oil, and a pinch of nutmeg. Sauté onion and garlic in olive oil. Stir in pumpkin puree, milk, and a pinch of nutmeg to make a creamy sauce. Add the cooked pasta and fresh spinach. Toss until everything is creamy and coated. Finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan. Simple, creamy, and full of cozy fall flavor. Creamy fall flavor, all in one bowl. Make it your own. Add mushrooms or keep it vegan with non-dairy milk. The full recipe is in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time on Yuminasnaphq.